7 Best Car Amplifier for Subwoofer. Want stronger bass from your car subwoofer without messy sound? The right car amplifier makes a big difference. Today, we test and compare the 7 best car amplifiers for subwoofers, including budget picks and high power options. You'll see what works best for deep bass and clear sound. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best car amplifier for subwoofer. Let's get started. Number 1. Boss Audio Systems R1100M Monoblock Amplifier. The Boss Audio Systems R1100M Monoblock Amplifier is a smart pick for new users who want stronger bass fast. It delivers up to 1100 watts peak power and supports 2 to 8 ohm subwoofers. That makes it easy to match with most basic setups. You also get both high and low-level inputs, so it works with factory or aftermarket stereos without trouble. The built-in low-pass crossover helps keep bass smooth and focused. It removes unwanted high sounds, so your subwoofer plays only deep tones. The MOSFET power supply keeps the output steady and avoids sudden drops. It also runs fairly cool during normal use, which is helpful for daily driving. The sound output is clean for the price, though not very aggressive. Still, it gives a clear upgrade over stock audio systems. Verdict: a great car amplifier for beginners who want a simple setup and decent bass without spending much money.
Number 2. Skar Audio RP1200.1 Monoblock Amplifier. The Skar Audio RP1200.1 Monoblock Amplifier feels like a big jump from basic amps. If you love strong bass, this one gets exciting fast. It can push around 1200 watts, which means your subwoofer hits harder and deeper. You will notice the difference right away. One great feature is the remote bass knob. You can turn the bass up or down while driving. No need to stop or open anything. That makes daily use super easy. The amp also stays cool thanks to its Class D design, so it works well even on longer trips. Setup is simple and it works great with most mid-level subwoofers. The bass sounds tight, not messy. That means your music stays clear, even at high volume. This amp is a nice mix of power and control. Verdict: perfect car amplifier for people who want loud, fun bass with easy control and better sound without going too complex.
Number 3. Taramps TS 1200X4 Amplifier. The Taramps TS 1200X4 amplifier is a bit different, and that's what makes it fun. Instead of powering just a subwoofer, it can run speakers and a sub at the same time. So if you want full sound in your car, this one gives you more options. It has 4 channels, but you can bridge them to power a subwoofer easily. That means you can switch things around based on your setup. Pretty cool, right? The sound feels clean and balanced, so music does not get messy or too loud in one area. Even though it's powerful, it stays compact and does not take up much space. That helps if your car has limited room. It also runs efficiently, so you won't worry much about heat. This amp is great for people who like flexibility and control in their audio setup. Verdict: best car amplifier for users who want one amp to handle both speakers and subwoofer without buying extra gear.
Number 4. Sounds CT-1000.1D Monoblock Amplifier. The Sounds CT-1000.1D Monoblock Amplifier feels small, but don't let that trick you. This little box brings strong and clean bass that sounds really nice. If you like music that feels smooth and not too noisy, you will enjoy this one. It gives about 1000 watts RMS power, which is great for most subwoofers. The bass stays tight so you hear each beat clearly. It does not get muddy or messy even when you turn the volume up. That makes your music sound better, not just louder. Another nice thing is how cool it runs. Even after long drives, it keeps working without getting too hot. The build also feels strong, so it should last a long time. It's easy to set up and does not take up much space in your car. The price range is usually between $159 and $170. Verdict: a smart car amplifier for listeners who want clean, smooth bass and care more about sound quality than just loud noise. Number 5. Pioneer GM-A5702 2-channel amplifier. The Pioneer GM-A5702 2-channel amplifier feels simple, but it does its job really well. If you like music that sounds soft and clear, this amp is a nice choice. It does not try to be too loud. Instead, it focuses on smooth and warm sound. You can use it for speakers or bridge it to run a subwoofer. That gives you some freedom to try different setups. The controls are easy to understand, so you won't feel confused during setup. Just connect, adjust a bit, and you're ready. The bass is not super heavy, but it feels clean and steady. That means your songs sound nice without harsh noise. It's great for daily driving and long trips. It's also built by a well-known brand, so reliability is a big plus here. The price range is usually between $130 and $140. Verdict: a good amplifier for people who want simple, smooth sound and trust a well-known brand for everyday use.
Number 6. Orion Cobalt CBA-2000-1D Monoblock Amplifier. The Orion Cobalt CBA-2000-1D Monoblock Amplifier is where things start to get serious. If you enjoy bass that you can actually feel, this one brings that energy. It can push up to 2,000 watts max power, so your subwoofer gets a big boost. What makes it fun is the control you get. There's a bass knob included, so you can adjust the bass anytime while driving. Want more punch? Just turn it up. Want it softer? Turn it down. Simple and quick. It also works with 1, 2, and 4 ohm setups, which gives you more ways to build your system. Verdict: a great car amplifier for anyone who wants loud, deep bass and enjoys adjusting sound on the go.
Number 7. Orion Cobalt CBA-2000-1D Monoblock Amplifier Advanced Setup Pick. The Orion Cobalt CBA-2000-1D Monoblock Amplifier works even better when you go big with your setup. Think 2 subwoofers or a stronger bass build. This amp can handle that kind of load without struggling. What stands out here is how steady it feels. Even when the volume goes high, the bass stays strong and does not break apart. That means you get a deep, solid sound every time you play music. It's great for hip-hop, EDM, or anything with heavy beats. The controls are simple, so you don't need to be an expert. You can fine-tune the bass using the built-in settings and get the sound just right. It also holds up well during long drives, which is a big plus. Verdict: the best card amplifier for users planning bigger audio setups who want steady, strong bass now and room to upgrade later.
Which best car amplifier for subwoofer should you buy? Choosing the right amp depends on what you really want from your car audio. If you just need a cheap and easy upgrade, the Boss Audio System's R1100M is a safe start. Want stronger bass with more control? The Skar Audio RP1200.1D gives you that extra punch. If you like flexible setups, the Taramps TS 1200X4 lets you run speakers and subs together. For clean and smooth bass, the Sounds CT-1000.1D stands out. Prefer a trusted name with simple use? The Pioneer GM A5702 is a solid pick. If loud and deep bass is your goal, go with the Orion Cobalt CBA-2000-1D. It's also great for bigger setups later.